If you click this video, you either love keyboards or are a Levi simp. Don't worry, I made the video. So today we're going to be building this Levi themed Attack on Titan keyboard. For the case, we're going with the KBD67 Lite. This is my first time actually building in one of these. A disclaimer, they did send this to me for review, but I never made the video. It's been over a year. So we're getting to it now. They sent me the smoked black variant, and they have a bunch of colors on their website if you want to check it out. It comes with stabilizers in the kit, but I'm not quite sure which ones they are. But we're going to be using them since it's free and it comes with the board. I lubed the housings with 205 grade 0 and the wires with dielectric grease, because DBZ lube is too expensive. We got a silicone dampener and polycarbonate plate. Now this is a gasket mounted board. You know, everyone has a gasket mounted board now. But on this board, the gaskets are built in onto the silicone dampener, so you can't not include it on the build, which was interesting to me personally. First time I've seen something like that. Since this is a Levi themed board, the switches are going to be high grounds, Titan hearts. And they're a linear switch that comes pre-lubed because nobody likes lubing switches. And if you think you do, you're lying to yourself. And finally, for the keycaps, I decided to go with the Scout set from Kino Keys. Here's a sound test for you. Not quite the sound signature we were looking for. We want to get a more deeper sound, or make it more thocky. So we're going to add the tape mod. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more keyboard content. Everything in this video will be linked below if you're interested in it, and I'll see you in the next one.